Upgraded your TV, mobile, car. Have you ever thought of upgrading something which will lower energy consumption in minimum efforts in your house? Redcard has come up with IoT-based smart home automation. Roam 24. You think upgrading to this technology will be messy and costly? The answer is no. You just have to get Redcard smart home automation switches from store. Replace it with your old switches. Functioning in 5 minutes. That means easy installation. No change in wiring. No additional rotor. No hub or gateway required. And one more thing, you can operate it from mobile app in Alexa.
Alexa, turn on bright.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on curtain 1.
Okay.
Alexa,
Turn on good night.
Okay.
Alexa,
Turn on fan.
Okay.
What are you waiting for? Grab yours now. Redcard, smart home automation.